Hi, today I am talking about this plant. In Kannada we call it as Bosle Sappu. In English they call it as Mangalore Spinach or Malabar Spinach. Scientifically this is called Bacilla ruba or Bacilla alba. This is actually packed with a lot of nutrients, particularly B complex vitamins, vitamin A, B, C and folate and plenty of fiber. This is very good for the stomach and the colon, and this is also pretty popular in Japan. I was told it is called Suru Morasai or something like that. It's a very popular plant in coastal India, particularly in southern India. It's very easy to grow. So you can just take a stem like this, okay, cut the bottom leaves and plant it in a pot, and that's about it. Okay, this will grow into a big creeper like this in a matter of just a few weeks. So the leaves are very good. One can use it for making sambar, what we call in Kannada as huli, or even palya. The stem also can be used, but stem is little hard, little difficult to digest. Some of us don't really feel like using the stem for cooking, but the stem also has a lot of cellulose, fiber, and other nutrition. So what we actually do is, instead of just discarding it, we put it like this in some water, cut it and put it like this. So the stem is biodegradable. Of course it's vegetable. So we take the stem like this, put it in water. This is my biodigester plant. So the stem of the Bosle Sappu or the Mangalore spinach goes into my biogas digester. So even the other leftover food and other stuff can go here, and this will convert into gas, cooking gas, in a few days, and the byproduct comes back as very nutrient rich liquid fertilizer. So it's a complete cycle. The plant is grown and the nutrition is used to grow back the plant. So this completes the full cycle. So this is about the Mangalore spinach or the Bosle Sappu, or what we call it as Bacilla ruba or Bacilla alba in the scientific name. So this is the plant. So thank you very much. It's very easy to grow. Okay, anyone can just grow. It is as simple as just cutting the stem and putting into a pot. It can grow into a big vine like this in just a matter of few weeks, and it is very rich in lot of nutrition, protein, vitamin, B complex vitamins, folate, and very rich in fiber. So thank you very much.